So I built a custom view starting out with a flow graph. And let's look at flows, bytes by source. And what this will show is all of the current database flows. So this is the current flow volume by byte count by source IP address. Now, the first thing you would want to know or be able to provide filtering on, let's go ahead and filter out looking for all traffic whose source IP address identifies itself as an enclave asset and whose destination IP address is not an enclave asset. So this is going to show all conversations originating from inside the enclave to a host IP outside the enclave. And now I will see all of the communications, all the session data, or at least all of the volume of data in sessions between internal and external hosts. Next thing I'll do is let's take a look at, so of the traffic that's been seen going out of the enclave, let's drill down and look at things that are relevant, like how about the destination port? So what types of traffic were leaving the enclave? And now you see the type of traffic leaving the enclave. Next thing you would ask is, so for the traffic leaving the enclave, actually let's do it from here. Let's now look at where that traffic is going. So let's look at the destination city for each of these traffic types. And here's where it's all going. Let's look at a flow source and desk graph as well. We can see the actual conversations to the destinations. And we can also then see on a per protocol basis when these conversations were happening. But now let's look for all the stuff happening from this guy in particular, that one source IP. We find out that the bulk of his conversation is going to Seoul, Korea. Let's see if I had done this, not that, but on this one. Let's just drill down from here, summary, just find out when these communications occurred specifically. And you can find out when each of these sessions were occurring. And here we have now the actual time that these communications occurred between an enclave host to a host in Seoul, Korea.